Old Town Builds. So we're in actually my house, in my personal garage, and I'm here with my 2018 Lexus GS 350 F Sport. What we're gonna be doing today is that we're gonna actually give it a nice wash and just go through a process. Crazy story is on my personal Instagram account, I took this opportunity to enter a giveaway that Griot's Garage was offering, and I was actually one of the lucky winners out of it. So I'm going to showcase their products today and show how we clean this vehicle with their things. It gave me from wax to the synthetic clay with the wash and actually the wheel cleaner. So I definitely want to use that. I've always been passionate about washing cars, especially when I was 15 years old. I'll never forget, wanting to make quick money. And I used to go knocking every single neighbor's door and just ask them if they wanted me to wash it and clean it inside and outside of the car. And I used to make some great money on the weekend, so I can't wait to showcase this product and wash my car today with y'all. And we just give it the opportunity to just talk and just get to know about me a little bit more. I wish Manny was here, but Manny's back at home working on his SCR. And obviously because of the whole COVID-19, we're just both trying to stay safe for both ourselves and our families. And but we're still in extreme contact, working on our vehicles, making sure the best of the best, and we're looking forward to give you some more content. So after using the product, it truly does leave a smooth finish to it. Just like how you will be using a clay bar. It's amazing. Alright everyone, so did the wash, cleaned the wheels, I used the synthetic clay. It was an amazing product. Now it's down to the waxing. Gonna kind of go old school with this. Got the microfiber pad, gonna apply this by hand and then buff it out by hand. Fortunately I don't have a polisher, and we'll go kind of old school with this. So here we go. So the instruction says let it sit there for 30 minutes to cure. Let it sit for 30 minutes and I'll be right back, and then I'm gonna just buff it up by hand and we'll see how the results come out. So I've let the wax cure for 30 minutes now, as you can tell. You can see the white blemishes on it. Like I mentioned before, I don't really have a professional buffer or a polisher, as better said. So I'm just gonna do this by hand with a microfiber cloth, clean microfiber cloth, and I'm gonna polish this and I'm gonna flip the cloth as I go throughout the sections to to make sure it stays clean, and I have extra just to change it out during the polishing phase of it. Here we go. Alright guys, and that's it. Man, I need a polisher, I'll tell you that much. This really kicked my butt polishing this by hand. But phenomenal product, very happy. My favorite product of them all is actually that synthetic clay. You can clearly see how smooth and finished it was. But I love the results, as you can see by the car. It's black is not the easiest thing to maintain. I honestly think that once I can invest myself into a polisher, I probably can try to take some of these imperfections out, but maybe you can comment below and tell me what polisher I should just invest into next. Maybe a Rubit's, maybe a Griot's Garage polisher. Let me know. We'd love to hear your feedback. We'd love to hear what will be the next big thing for me to polish this car with. Again, Griot's Garage, thank you. Your product's amazing. Appreciate you choosing me as one of your winners for your product to showcase it during this time during COVID-19. And off to the next one. Peace.